This beautifully renovated two-bedroom, two-bathroom home is located at Fulton Court. This home features an open kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom backsplash, and breakfast bar, which opens into entertaining-sized living dining room. The gleaming hardwood floors and brick and beam detail provide great character to this sun-filled property. The spacious master bedroom features an ensuite bathroom and great storage. This pristine home also features a washer-dryer, central air conditioning, and a large private storage locker. Fulton Court is a professionally managed property which features concierge service, elevator, fitness room, and a beautifully landscaped common garden area. Fulton Court is located in the bustling waterfront neighborhood and is steps to the north end, home of many fine restaurants, cafes, and shops. The location also provides convenient access to the waterfront, downtown Boston, and all major points of transportation.